Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage back here with you. Got another garage tip. Ever been in a situation where you got a tap and you've got a little area to get into and you can't get a wrench on that? You can't get the tap handle. You kind of got to resort to maybe use like an adjustable wrench or something. So here's a little trick I've learned over the years is sometimes you can take that tap and you can find an appropriate sized nut. This one happens to be a 1/4 inch nut, and you can press it on the end of that, so now you can put a wrench on it. So all you do, see if I can bring you in closer. So all you do is take the nut and the tap and you put them in the vise. And ever so gently, you can take that and use the vise to sort of force the nut on it. So here you go. It's on there. You can take a 7/16 socket. Oh, it's not that. Oh, it's metric. You can take a 10mm wrench, and there now it fits on it. So instead of fiddling with an adjustable wrench, trying to get that on there and trying to work it in place, you can use this, or even better, you can use a ratchet wrench. And that'll save you a lot of hassle for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stick around for the next one.